Okay, this is 3D printing by Theo. Okay, so for I'm going to be explaining the 3D printing in designs. In this class, I constructed many designs using 3 softwares: Tinkercad, Onshape, and Blender. On the first day, we used Tinkercad to make simple things like a dog tag using simple shapes and a custom chess piece using like a revolve tool. And then on day 2, we use a new software called Onshape to make another simple object like a dice. For that, we just needed to make a few indents for the holes and smoothen out the edges to make it smooth. And we also, on Onshape, made a fidget spinner by making a hole in the middle and using a tool called I don't know what tool it was called, but we duplicated the hole all around to make like a star shape to make the fidget spinner. After that, for the next 2 days, we worked on a Raspberry Pi case. The first day we made it, and then the second day we fixed it because the measurements were wrong. On the 4th day, we used Blender to make a piggy bank, and we also fixed the Raspberry Pi case on that day. On the final day, we printed out a pre-made thing online that we found, and we also made a chicken on Tinkercad. Problem that I would probably fix in my creations. For the dice, I would make the smoothness of the edges way smoother because when it came out, it was super sharp.
Okay. Can you tell us what was your favorite project?
My favorite project was probably the fidget spinner because it came out really smoothly, and I'm really proud of the measurements I took there. I think it was also really cool.
Okay, awesome. Let's give him a round of applause.